Alright traders, we're back with the one more setup. The pair is EURGBP. So let's check the date and the time right here. Currently it is 3:46 p.m. Monday 20th of July 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. We are entering long in Euro GBP at the current price around 8496, and our take profit is this black line around 8565. So expecting maybe 60 plus pips in this trade, 65 pips. So we can exit early as well if we want to, but this is what we have for now. So entering long after this blue candle, that was the confirmation. So it's right now just taking a pullback. So we are going long in Euro GBP, and this black line is my take profit, expecting 65 pips, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll come back and record the take profit video once I am out of the trade. Alright guys, we are back with our take profit videos. So let's check the date and the time right here. Refresh it. Currently it is 6:53 p.m. Thursday 23rd of July 2026. Coming back to the chart. We are on 4-hour Euro GBP, so I do not know when did I enter this trade, but we are out at this black line around 85348. So we made around 37 pips in this trade, as you can see. So we entered around 84961, and we were out at 85348. We made this amount of money. That's all. That's all. 37 pips exactly. Okay, so if you want these trades before they happen, then you can join the program if you want. Swing like a pro. You will find the link below this video, I guess. Subscribe, like, and share. Help yourself join the program, otherwise nobody else will. Take care.